Today we are telling you in this video about most luxurious hotel in the world. Imagine you are sitting with your special someone in a glass restaurant surrounded by water. Food brought from every corner of the world is in front of you, and fishes swimming at a distance are tempting you. Everything seems like a dream, doesn't it? But the truth is that there exists such a place in the world where your dream seems to come true. Burj Al Arab in Dubai is one such place where all the samples of your imagination can be seen. This hotel is considered to be the most luxurious hotel in Dubai. So let's try to get a closer look at it. In Arab language, Burj means tower, hence Burj Al Arab means Tower of Arabia. This beautiful hotel is the pride of the city of Dubai. Not only this, but it is also the third highest hotel in the world. It is said that to increase its height, 39% of the building has been made like this. Burj Al Arab is not built inside the city of Dubai but outside it. Actually, it is built on a small island connected to Dubai. Its height is 280 meters. A small bridge has also been built between the city and this island. This bridge is the only way to reach this hotel. If you look at it carefully, it looks like a screen on an old ship. Talking about the history of this hotel, its construction work was started around 1994. Building such a big hotel was not an easy task. It took 5 years to build it. It was completed in 1999 for the convenience of the people in this hotel. 18 lifts are running all the time. The design of this entire building was prepared by the famous architect Tom Wright. Tom was told to make this building different. In fact, its owners wanted to see it as a hallmark of Dubai. He wanted things from all over the world in this hotel, but he wanted its original look in the Arab style. Tom had put all his might to make it look like a traditional and futuristic Arab. He was successful too. On the basis of the map made by him, 202 rooms of the hotel were prepared by the best engineers of Britain. The island on which this hotel is built is now known as Burj Al Arab, whereas its initial name was Chicago Beach. Before this hotel, there used to be a hotel here by the name of Dubai Chicago Beach Hotel, which was demolished in 1997. Not only this, but the initial name of Burj Al Arab project was also Dubai Chicago Beach Hotel. It was later changed to Burj Al Arab by the Arab Prime Minister Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid. Due to its merits, the name of Burj Al Arab today comes in the third highest hotel in the world. Burj Al Arab is managed by a company named Jumeirah Group. This hotel is big, but the number of its rooms is considered to be less compared to its size. There are 202 rooms here, while the size of the smaller rooms is approximately 1820 square feet. The size of the larger rooms is 8400 square feet. The rooms have been painted white. The bathroom has expensive tiles. The restaurants of this hotel make it special. The name of its restaurant is Al Muntaha, 660 feet above the ground. Here you can see the view of Dubai while eating. You have to pay a hefty price to eat food in this restaurant. There is also another restaurant named Al Mehra, where you can feel the submarine. Here you can enjoy eating while watching the marine life. It is said that the aquarium present here has the capacity to hold 9 lakhs 90,000 liters of water. Although you must have heard that there are 5-star hotels, but people call Burj Al Arab a 7-star hotel. However, it is recognized as a 5-star hotel only. There is also a helipad just above the hotel, high above this mountain, whose height is 689 feet. Many times this helipad has attracted the attention of the people and the media. For example, the great golfer Tiger Woods has played golf here. Roger Federer also played a match of tennis here. All such media stunts keep happening here. There is also a lounge here on whose walls some artwork has been done so that it looks like our galaxy. For this, 29,000 crystals have been used here. Every year 10 tons of chocolates are used in the hotel. Bulbs are never used in the hotel during daytime. Instead, direct sunlight is used here. All the female employees working at the front desk in the hotel are given lash gold necklace in the name of Burj Al Arab so that the glory of this hotel can increase. Burj Al Arab Hotel in Dubai is one of the most expensive hotels in the world. Guests who check in at this hotel are given an iPad of 24 karat gold. Along with the iPhone company, people of Burj Al Arab are printed on this iPad. This iPad is given so that the guests staying in the hotel can get a special and royal experience. Dubai's Sheikh's gold love is not hidden from anyone. People here are not only wearing gold but also eating it. In terms of serving gold in food, a restaurant in the famous hotel Burj Al Arab is far ahead. It is being told that from cakes to cocktails, cappuccino, and all the dishes, gold is mixed. Be it the interior of Burj Al Arab Hotel or the food here, the effect of gold love is clearly visible on everyone. There is a 24 karat gold leaf of 1790 square meter here. So gold is being served in the food as well, from cocktails to cappuccino. Gold will be seen in the restaurant named Gold on 27 on the 27th floor of the hotel.